If you are planning to travel to Indonesia for business purposes, the Indonesia Business Visa is the right option for you. This visa allows you to attend business meetings, conferences, trade events, and discussions with business partners in Indonesia. It is important to remember that this visa does not permit paid employment or working for an Indonesian company. Indonesia offers different types of business visas. These include a single entry business visa, a multiple entry business visa, a limited stay visa, and a visa on arrival for eligible nationalities. To apply, you need a valid passport, recent photographs, proof of business activities, travel details, accommodation or invitation letters, and proof of sufficient funds. The application process is simple and online. Fill out the form, upload your documents, pay the visa fee, and wait for approval by email. Once approved, you can travel to Indonesia and carry out your business activities with confidence.